Welcome to Roger Adventures. On this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I did this mandala style rock. I hope you like this video. I started with the purple color. I use acrylic paints, and on this video, I'm gonna be using these dotting tools. If you are interested on knowing which ones are used, I'm gonna leave it on the section below and all of the stuff that I use for the rock painting. I primed the rock with white acrylic paint. I use the purple, just the first base. This rock, I'm doing it as I go. I have an idea on how to do it, but not a complete idea or defined idea how the rock is gonna go. That's how most of the times I do my rocks, unless it's a drawing, but still, if it's a drawing or a special design, I just have something in mind and I change it along the way as I think it's gonna come out. So again, purple paint first and the dotting tools. I did the whole rock purple, and later on in the video you will see how I integrate the colors. You have to wait for the other colors to dry, not completely dry, but so the paint won't stick back on the other dotting tools that you're gonna be using. My goal is to inspire you to start painting rocks. Let me know what you think about this rock, or if you have any idea, comments, suggestions for my next video, leave it on the section below. I also would love if you give me a thumbs up, and I want to thank all those who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. And if you like the content of this channel, consider subscribing and activate the bell so you can get announcements on my next videos. I'll try to do these rocks as easy as possible so you can follow along. And also, if you like to share your pictures of the rocks that you have done, you can share it in my Facebook page, Roger Adventures, or in my Instagram. You can tag me as Roger Adventures as well. So I let the purple paint dry. I added some yellow dots, and then after I finished with this, I started adding the light green or bright green dots. This rock, it is not difficult to make. I didn't use any pattern. I just follow my instincts. If you don't have dotting tools, you can be creative and use anything else that you can think of. For example, Q-tips. You can use toothpicks. You can cut toothpicks. You can use the back of the brushes, and so on. You can find so many things that you can use as dotting tools. Actually, in some of my older videos, I used to use bamboo sticks or skewers. So what I did with the sandpaper, I sanded the tip so it will give me a different size of dotting tool. Again, you can use anything that you want. You can make your own tools. You can just find items around the house that can serve as dotting tools. I don't use the numbers. I just use the dotting tools randomly as I think that is gonna come out nice and easy. When I paint this rock, I feel so relaxed doing my own thing. Just set time apart if you're gonna paint rocks and just have fun. That's the most important thing. Have fun. Don't stress too much about the design. Just have fun. Start painting rocks. Use different colors. You can start with very basic colors and just start with easy designs. maybe you can just do one whole color and do letters. I've seen rocks that are very beautiful with a nice message. It doesn't have to be like an stencil type of letter. You can do your own handwriting, or you can look online for images and ideas on how to paint the rocks. Just have fun. That's the most important thing. And share with everybody else you painted rocks. You don't have to sign them. You can if you like, and then you can hide them so somebody can find them, or you can give them away, or you can just give it to people that you know. For example, if you go to the doctor, to the dentist, you go to a place, to a store where you usually know people, you can just give it to them. It feels good and rewarding when you give the rock and people appreciate the art, and they feel good that you have the detail to give them something that it was so personal, because every time you do a rock, it has your personal touch in it. So again, start painting rocks. It doesn't have to be rocks. You can paint tiles, you can paint wood, or anything else. There is no limit to the creation that you have in your mind. I know you have it. You just have to discover it and practice it, and you will see that you do. So come on, paint some rock and share that artistic side that you have within you. And this is the rock painted already and with the coat of the resin. Again, I hope you like this video, and I hope you become a subscriber, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great day.